Yeah, I think that I'm a product lady, so I think about the use case and I think about the value. As a consumer of a CDP in AI and ML, your job is to say, here is my requirement. Here's what I need to do. Our job as technology people can say, okay, we'll apply AI and ML. As a business user, you don't go out and ask, I'm going to use AI. You understand what you want to do, and then the technology can do that. The value to a business user of AI and ML is it can help with the expert systems needed. Some of the brain power that correlates data provides an answer. That's what AI and ML do for you. So it gets you faster to your answer without you having to do all of the background. So there's value to it, but as a business user, you say, this is what I want to do, and find solutions that'll let you do that as quickly as you can. And that's how I view AI and ML.
Yeah, no, I mean, Carol is spot on, and it goes back again. What's the use case? What are we trying to kind of solve? People kind of often think of the technology as being kind of the silver bullet, and oh, I
Yeah.
put in this like best in class system or whatever, and that's the thing that's gonna
Yep.
like not fix it. And if you go back to like good ML, good AI, it's still with the quality of the data, the kind of data you're putting in, so that you can kind of help drive what that customization looks like. So, if I'm trying to kind of sell a product with a customer and I have no data alignment of past performance or kind of similar metrics of what I'm trying to kind of project for the future, how can this computer give me the advice that I need? And
Yep.
if I'm seeing kind of marketing drive leads, but conversions aren't happening, how's the kind of computer going to be like, well, the sales message isn't right, or the training of this person isn't like. So in the end of the day, AI and ML and David, I think in your fireside chat, kind of touched upon it in terms of kind of the human insight, the human touch is still very much needed. There are things that AI and ML can start crafting as you can give it enough data sets to create maybe content and things like that could be smart. But if you're trying to really understand like what is the right next thing, how do I kind of talk to this segment in a better way, there's still a human touch, knowing the business, knowing the kind of segment you're working with, that like is still priceless, right? So that's how, I think it's still a mixed balance. And you know some of it depends again on the maturity of the organization. I found that there's
Hmm.
some companies that really really do it well, and but that's like far and few is where a lot of people are facing the same problems. It's like you have Salesforce and Einstein and we all the different things we have in our smart CMS systems and things like that, and we're still using a fraction of what we should be using from a ML and perspective and so on, right? So